Alright, welcome back, and I want us to do bank, and bank is a very nice one to do. Can be a little bit complicated, but it's nice to do. So first things first, just a revision from last time. We're doing the cash, or rather we're doing the general ledger, posting to the general ledger, which is the fourth step in our accounting cycle. So we're summarizing everything from our cash payments journal. As you can see here, this is your cash payments journal and cash receipts journal. So every single column, you've got bank, current income, it has a total at the end of the month, and these totals must be posted to our general ledger. Right, we're dealing with bank. So in our slides, you look at our step 1, which is debt principal. We need to apply it. So if I look at bank, I look and I see that bank is not an expense, but it's an asset. Okay, that's an asset that increases on the debit side, but at the same time, bank is also it increases on the credit. It increases on the debit side, decreases on the credit side, but at the same time, bank. I'll show you that bank is special now in grade 8. Not that special in grade 9, but now in grade 8 it seems like bank is the most challenging one, but it's not really challenging. Alright, so I am going to go to my CRJ. Okay, with bank I receive money, but I also spend money, so it's not just appearing in my CRJ alone, it's also appearing in my CPJ. So I'm going to align both of them. I'm going to underline them, just underline them. So I'm going to go to my CRJ first. Okay, my CRJ tells me that bank has increased to by 64,750. I don't have any opening balances here because my bank, or rather my business just began. Okay, 64,750. I don't have space for cents. I'm not gonna write them. Okay, let's just move it up. I need a hand to move it up. Alright, I'm gonna put it properly in its right column now. So this is CRJ number 1. Okay, details here, something different. I'm not gonna write bank here. I'm gonna write total receipts because my account is already called bank. Don't make sense in accounting. Just know it doesn't make sense for you to write bank by details, well, to the account name is actually bank. So I'm gonna write total receipts. Wrong spelling. And then I'm gonna write the 31st of March. Okay, 2022 March. Someone might ask why we write the year. We write the year because of completeness. We just want to know which year this transaction took place. Okay, so my bank decreases on the credit side too. I've got bank on my cash payments journal. So if you see, my total amount on my cash payments journal is 17,870. 17,870. Alright, where am I getting this amount from? From my CPJ 2. CPJ 1, my mistake. And by details, alright, total receipts. Total payments. Hey, Tico, who's correct? Thank you for correcting us, Lord. Okay. The day I'm gonna write here 31st, and then I'm gonna write 2022 March. Okay, this is my month. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to determine which side is my longer side. Alright, my longer side here. My longer side is my debit side, not longer side, my bigger amount. My bigger side is my debit side. The reason I'm taking longer is because I actually want to draw lines here. This information, the next information I want to draw, or rather the next information I want to fit in, is not gonna fit in because my columns and rows are short, but it's fine. I'll make a plan. 64,750, 64,750. So you write it on both sides because you're balancing the account now, right? When you subtract 64,000, when you subtract 17,000, 870 from 64,750, you get 46,880, right? Then you write CD here. This CD stands for carried down. Alright, long time ago we used to write CF, carried forward. Now you write carried down. Here you write balance. And then this amount, you take it down here. Alright, you bring it down all the way here. You don't draw the arrow. I'm just drawing the arrow so that I can show you what you're doing. Right, here you just have to expand this thing so that the lines all the way here. Alright, I'm doing this so that you guys don't get confused. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm just gonna put my lines where they're supposed to be, make them red, it's fine. But this tail count is too short. It's very short. Right. Also on the other side, for completeness sake, remember counting. It's all about completeness. It's all about completeness. You don't want things that are missing, missing stuff. They're learning completeness, yeah. Alright, then I need another line. Make it straight. See? And then close this up, yeah. Right. Okay, so this amount I have to write it here by my debit side. I'm gonna write 46,880, and this is going to be balance brought down. BD stands for balance brought down. Alright, sorry. Yeah, you just write balance, and then this is going to be the 1st of April 2022. Okay, the reason it's the 1st of April 2022 is so that in your next month, excuse me, you're just going to write April is what you're going to write, right? This April. I'll make it a bit smaller because it's supposed to fit in here. Okay, I don't have any smaller medication for this. Can't be smaller. Right, but this is how it works. Okay,